Now, how can you mirror your iPhone screen to a PC? So there are more ways how you're going to do this. Obviously, if it's a Mac computer, you can use the built-in features like the screen mirroring app or QuickTime. But if it's a PC like Windows computer, then it's a different operating system and it may not be as simple. So you'll likely need an application for it. The one which I have personally tried in the past and it kind of worked out well for me was an app called A Power Mirror. So you can look that up right on your computer and it works on multiple different platforms, but it is designed with the connection, or it is designed to connect your iPhone or Android to Mac or Windows, right? So it just all works out multi-platform. And you need to download it on both devices, right? You kind of need to go through the learning curve a little bit, but it's not that hard, right? And you just need to download it on that like this, and you will just get the job done. So yeah, let me know what you think about it. It was just a quick guide on how it works. Well, it's definitely subscribe and let me know about that. Perhaps if you would like to see the complete tutorial, it would take like 10 minutes to set it all up for me. So I just quickly wanted to explain and show you the best method, which I found. Personally, if you want to see more, just let me know about that. It's likely I'll make a video about that because I make so many tutorials on this channel. So subscribe for more and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.